Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about Philips Avent Super Soothie pacifiers. If you would like some more information, just be sure to check the video description for more info as always. So this is going to be the Philips Avent Super Soothie. Now these were great because they were like giving them out in the hospital. So when I was like kind of gearing up to leave the hospital after having my son, he was starting to get like a little fussy, and one of the doctors came over, or one of the nurses came over, and she gave me one of these pacifiers, and she said, give this to him because sometimes this helps soothe them, and I hadn't given him a pacifier yet. So I said, okay. So I gave it to him. He seemed to really like it. A couple weeks later, he kept spitting out the pacifier. He just did not like it, which is so funny because some children love the pacifier and they don't want to give it up. My son hated it. Once we got home, he just spit it out. Like, I think he would like suck on it and realize like milk wasn't coming out, and just decided, you know, that he didn't want any more of it. So he would just spit it out, which is, it's kind of funny because now he sucks his thumb instead, which is going to be harder to break that habit than the pacifier because obviously I can't take his thumb from him. So anyway, Philips Avent is really great. They make bottles and all different kinds of stuff. So these were the super soothing nipples. So I got this from the hospital, and then these my sister-in-law gave me. So it's bigger for older babies. The pacifier brand distributed in hospitals nationwide, which is true. I gave birth at a Catholic hospital, and these were the pacifiers that they gave out. So obviously the hospitals trust them. That's definitely a good thing. The brand used by medical professionals to calm newborns. So that's kind of why I gave it to him at first, just to calm him down for the ride home. They are BPA-free, and there's a warning: do not tie pacifier around child's neck as it presents a strangulation danger. So I would never do that, but you know, just so you guys know. Well, they actually sell, I'll show you guys, they sell pacifier holders that you can put around the neck. Actually, not put around the neck, you clip it onto their bib or their shirt, and then you clip, or you tie the back of the pacifier onto the string. I didn't get much use out of it personally. That's just because my son does not like pacifiers. And then you're able to throw these in the sterilizer or the dishwasher to clean them. You can see I have a whole collection of these because I was thinking I was going to get use out of them. But you know what? I'm pregnant, so maybe for the second baby. So they have the warning on here. Nipple specifically designed to ensure natural development of teeth and gums. Pacifiers are suitable for sterilizing by means of a Philips Avent steam and microwave sterilizer. The Philips Avent microwave sterilizing bag, or boiling in water for at least 5 minutes. After sterilization, please allow nipple to cool for at least 5 minutes and remove any trapped water before use. So that's what I did. I always put them to clean them in the sterilizer. I've tried several times to get him to take it, but even now he still does not like it. These are just some warnings on here. And they are highly durable, hospital grade silicone and one-piece construction. So you can definitely feel safe about giving this to your baby, especially at nighttime. And they are made in the USA. So guys, this is my review of the Philips Avent Super Soothie pacifier. Great, like I said a bunch of times, they are hospital grade, so it's something you could feel good about giving your newborn to your newborn to kind of soothe them. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.